Good morning, everybody. I am sorry about the no light. I'm out here before the sun's even out. Today's the day. We're going to get this thing off a base map. We're going to get it tuned. We're not trying to go too crazy. Still trying to keep it in the daily driver range. All the parts that are on here are very simple, just bolt-ons, no crazy fabrication. We wanted to keep this, relatable just to any daily driver. All the parts can just be ordered through us up at Kraken, over the counter easily, nothing crazy. So we'll see what Calvin can do with her. Here we go. Let's get her off this base map. All right, we are all filled up with gas. Let's go get this baby tuned. Trying to go too high. Turn that off. I'm sure you can hear me much better now. Wow, that's annoying. Yeah, so not trying to go too high. Trying to keep it daily drivable. After we get this video put out, we'll do a whole build breakdown. We'll go over all the parts, everything that's on it, everything that's been done to it, everything that's going to be done to it. Jesus, those bumps are brutal. Damn. Yeah, that's not going to get old. Sounding good. Well, all right. She is all done. It's the end of the day. We're about to go take this thing for a rip. We're gonna go feel out this tune that Calvin put on it. We're gonna go feel this tune on it and feel that freedom. Let's do it. Get a pull for the boys. Oh yeah, going to the bridge. This thing pulls so hard.
Pause.